What's up everyone, Max Tech Toy Box here doing a sort of unboxing and initial impressions of Google's Pixel 3a XL. Got this at Best Buy. Google announced this at their I/O just yesterday actually, and it's already on sale, so kudos to Google for making that happen. I feel like when manufacturers announce or OEMs announce these different products and you have to wait a while for them to come out, it sucks, but we know this thing was leaked every which way in the last couple of months. So the 3A starts off at $399 and then the 3A XL was $479. At Best Buy right now is currently running a buy if you buy one unlocked or activated, you get a $100 gift card. So cool. First impressions, just feel in the hand. It has a decent amount of weight to it, which is fine, but it does have this soft touch, well, not soft touch, but just plastic polycarbonate feeling. So don't know how I feel about that, especially after using, a couple of premium devices, but I'm pretty sure you throw this in the case and it'll be fine. So let me know what you guys want to see, what you guys want to hear about when I do the review. I'm going to separate the unboxing and the review video just to make sure that I can cover everything that anyone wants to know about. So leave a comment, in the comment section if there's anything in particular that you want me to narrow in on or focus on, so I can definitely supply that in my review. I know that this is supposed to have a lot of the same software features from the regular Pixel 3 lineup. Still gonna have stereo speakers. There's no wireless charging, but you do get fast charging. This is just a regular HD, so I think 1080p panel versus quad HD. There's no wireless charging, no water resistance. You still have a fingerprint scanner on the back. But the main emphasis of the Pixel lineup is the camera, and you're supposed to have the same great camera. So I'm definitely going to take lots of photos and throw them in the review video as well. So like I said, let me know what you guys want to hear about, and I'll make sure to focus on it in the review. I'll see you guys later.